Welcome to Deep Space Diaries. Today, we're taking you on an epic journey through our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy edges beyond Neptune, buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Mercury. Alright, let's take a quick tour of our solar system, starting closest to the Sun with the speedy little planet, Mercury. Now, picture a rocky world, a bit smaller than our Moon, constantly bathed in the Sun's intense light. But don't think it's consistently hot. Mercury experiences some truly extreme temperature swings. During the day, the surface can bake to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt tin. Then, as day turns to night, the temperature plummets to a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than most places on Antarctica. The reason for these wild temperature differences: Mercury barely has any atmosphere to trap the Sun's heat during the day or to insulate it at night. So, it's a world of blazing hot days and incredibly frigid nights, all just a stone's throw from our star, Venus. Our next destination takes us to Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size, but don't let that fool you. Venus is a truly hellish world, the hottest planet in our entire solar system. Imagine an atmosphere almost entirely made of carbon dioxide. That's what blankets Venus. This thick, dense atmosphere traps heat so effectively that it creates a runaway greenhouse effect. The result? Surface temperatures that soar to a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Visually, Venus can be quite striking. It appears as a beautiful, glowing yellow orb in the night sky. However, this beauty is deceiving. That yellowish glow comes from thick, swirling clouds of sulfuric acid, completely shrouding the planet. So, while it might look serene from afar, Venus is a fiercely hot and incredibly toxic place, a stark contrast to our own blue planet, Earth. Now we arrive at our very own oasis in space, Earth, the only planet we know of that teems with life. Take a moment to appreciate this unique world. What makes Earth so special? Well, for starters, it boasts vast oceans and lakes of liquid water, crucial for the life we know. We're also enveloped by a breathable atmosphere, a perfect blend of gases that sustains us. And deep within our planet spins a molten core, generating powerful magnetic fields that act like an invisible shield, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. From swirling clouds painting the sky to lush green forests and the vast blue of the oceans, Earth is a vibrant, dynamic place. It's a delicate balance of conditions that has allowed life to flourish in countless forms. Truly, in the grand expanse of our solar system, Earth stands out as a precious jewel, a vibrant and life-sustaining home. Moon. And of course, we can't talk about Earth without mentioning its constant companion, the Moon. Our natural satellite has been a silent witness to our planet's journey through space for billions of years. Think about the tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of our oceans. That's largely the Moon's gravitational pull at work, a fundamental force shaping our coastlines and even influencing marine life. But the Moon is more than just a celestial mechanic. Throughout human history, it has captivated our imaginations, inspiring countless myths, legends, and stories. From ancient deities to romantic serenades, the Moon has woven its way into our cultures and our collective consciousness. And in more recent times, the Moon became a destination, a testament to our ambition and technological prowess. The Apollo missions stand as iconic moments, leaving footprints on its dusty surface and forever changing our perspective on our place in the cosmos. So, the Moon, in its silent orbit, continues to play a vital role in our planet's story, both physically and culturally. Mars. Now, let's journey to the intriguing red planet, Mars. It's a world that has long captured our curiosity, and for good reason. Imagine a planet that wasn't always the cold, dry place it is today. Evidence suggests that ancient Mars was a much warmer and wetter world, possibly even boasting lakes and rivers. But over billions of years, it lost much of its atmosphere, transforming into the frozen desert we see now. Despite its current harsh conditions, Mars holds immense potential for the future. The idea of one day establishing a human presence there, of making it a second home, is a driving force behind much of our exploration efforts. And speaking of exploration, we already have robotic pioneers on the Martian surface. Rovers like Perseverance are diligently traversing its dusty plains, conducting scientific experiments, and most excitingly, searching for telltale signs of ancient microbial life that might have once thrived in its wetter past. Mars represents not just a look into the history of our solar system, but potentially a glimpse into our future among the stars. Jupiter. Prepare to be amazed by Jupiter, the undisputed king of our planets. This colossal gas giant is truly immense. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. Think of that scale for a moment. And as you gaze upon this swirling giant, your eye will likely be drawn to the Great Red Spot. This isn't just any storm, it's a gigantic, centuries-old hurricane raging across Jupiter's atmosphere. It's so vast that it could swallow several Earths whole. Jupiter, with its sheer size and enduring storms, is a powerful reminder of the incredible forces at play in our solar system. Saturn. Now, prepare to be mesmerized by Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Its most iconic feature, of course, is its breathtaking and extensive ring system. These aren't solid bands, but rather countless icy and rocky particles, creating a dazzling spectacle. Like Jupiter, Saturn is another gas giant, a massive world composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. And it has a vast family of moons, boasting over 140 known satellites. One of the most intriguing is Titan, a moon so substantial it has its own thick atmosphere and even rivers and lakes made of liquid methane. Saturn, with its stunning rings and fascinating moon system, is a truly captivating world. Uranus. Prepare for a truly unique sight, Uranus, the sideways planet. Unlike all the other planets in our solar system, Uranus spins on its side, like a rolling barrel orbiting the Sun. This icy giant is further out, giving it a distinctly chilly atmosphere composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It's this methane that absorbs red light and reflects blue light, giving Uranus its beautiful, pale blue color. While it does have rings, they're much fainter and less dramatic than Saturn's. Uranus, the tilted, blue world, offers a fascinating glimpse into the diverse orientations and compositions of our planetary neighbors. Neptune. Finally, we reach the outer frontier of our traditional solar system with Neptune, a distant and dynamic ice giant. Don't let its serene blue appearance fool you. Neptune is home to the most ferocious winds in the entire solar system. Imagine storms raging across its atmosphere at speeds exceeding 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These incredibly powerful winds whip around the planet, creating dramatic and ever-changing weather patterns. Even though it's far from the sun and bathed in dim light, Neptune is a world of intense activity, a testament to the powerful forces that can shape even the most distant reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. Distant space. Let's not overlook the fascinating realm of dwarf planets. Think of icy worlds like Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and others inhabiting the outer solar system. Though smaller than the main planets, these distant outliers hold their own secrets and mysteries, adding another layer of intrigue to our cosmic neighborhood. And just like that, we've zipped through over 4.5 billion kilometers of space. But this is only the beginning. Our solar system is full of wonders, and new discoveries happen all the time. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite planet, and don't forget to subscribe to Deep Space Diaries for more journeys through the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious, and keep looking up.